A long time ago, in a small country village in Japan, there was a little boy who could not help his father because he was not strong like his brother. He could not help his mother in the ways that his sister could, but he was very smart, smarter than all of his siblings. Because of this, his parents saw it fit for him to become a priest. Together, they visited the temple where the priest agreed to take his young Joji. All was well in the beginning of his studies. Joji flourished in his intellect, but one issue did emerge. Joji constantly drew cats on the wall, on the tables, and even in his books. Joji surrounded himself with all kinds of cats, big cats, small cats, owl cats, goat cats. The priest knew at this point that Joji was not to be a priest and told him to go home and become an artist. All will be well. Your talent will guide and protect you. Joji left the temple in sorrow. The boy had been traveling for 3 days when he came up on a village and asked the woman for direction to Denjaiji, a temple that he knew to be nearby. The woman recoiled in fear. The woman told the boy the direction of the temple, but not the secret that lies within it. Many years ago, the monks that lived at the temple were driven out by Nezumi Mamono. The monks fled to the nearby village, and the warriors of that village bravely went to the temple to rid the monks of their plague. None returned home. Day turned into night as the boy reached the temple. He paused and said a prayer. Joji went at once into the temple courtyard, only to find a single lantern scattering light on the walls. Something was not right with this place. In the darkness, Joji began to paint. He surrounded himself with cats of all sizes. He painted for a long time until all went quiet. He was alone and very afraid. He thought he must be dreaming, for a monster stood just outside his cabinet door. The boy became a hero, and so the town was grateful and celebrated Joji for killing the terrible rat goblin, and he could draw cats, big and small, forevermore. The end. Now it's time to sleep.
But Grandpa, what if the goblin comes after me?
But just a story, my child. I promise you, you will have a good dream and wake safely. We'll stay here until you are asleep. Good night now.